have to look up Pancale. I think this is your kind of thing. So
Okay.
Because it's in Milano. If you go to the really expensive stores like me.
Okay.
But there is a place in Calabria that makes these Pancale.
Never heard of it. Flowers. You have flowers.
Yeah, some trees.
It's beautiful here. It's windy on our side.
It actually could be heard on the sail. For you guys. Nice.
Oh wow,
It's warm here. Such a difference.
We live in a different world.
The wind on days like today makes a difference. So if it was windy here, the air is cool.
Yeah.
But it's not. It's a lot nicer. I'll put this on your side because I won't have any.
Okay.
Yeah, you're eating.
No, I eat meat, but not today. Entered the Holy Week.
Yeah, amazing.
Which is not. There is no obligation or anything. But
And what do you do for Easter?
for Easter, it will be nice and quiet and celebratory.
So you're here.
I will be here. I also have other bread that is a bit hard.
Oh,
if you
this
prefer other
grissini is
perfect.
perfect. We have lentil soup. Also good.
It's rich and I put some oats in there, so it should be
Oh wow.
Wow.
a thick stew. I've been eating it for weeks.
Oh really?
I mean, not this particular batch. But it's just,
We'll have the stove on for sure. Still well into May.
I mean, in my if we have cold days in April or May, even on this side, you have to.
You do it a lot less, huh? We do it still every day.
But actually, now, as long as it's still sunny, I get away with it. But if it's not sunny in April or May, but maybe 10 degrees, I sometimes use more wood in that change period than in winter when it's sunny.
Oh really? Oh. Because the sun is less
So
steep.
the sun is the passive thing.
yeah.
Like today, now it is like 20 degrees inside just from the balcony.
Oh wow.
Red has a cherry kind of taste. It has a cherry pit, but it grows come out of busto.
Wow.
This is Melacotonia.
Oh, Melacotonia, the brother of our Melacotonia.
Apple citrus.
Apple kitten.
Oh, this is a nice stairs.
Yeah,
Progress.
It's not done yet, but I've been sliding around enough. And this is whatever you call these. Gonna be warm.
Warmer?
Yeah.
Oh no. Is this garlic? No. Green onion. No, onion. Onion. I forgot. Oh
Can
wow.
you smell the lemons?
Oh my god, I never see a flower of lemon. That's first time.
Oh, it's very intense.
Beautiful.
And
They're blossoming.
and these are the oranges over there on the left side. So this has been a bit sad. This was pretty, but it's putting so many flowers. I'll have to take off. There's still one lemon down there.
Oh, hi lemon.
But,
Smells amazing.
it is a beautiful. It's a very intense smell. While this is coming slowly, these will be very. I mean, this has put in a lot of. I cut them very, very dramatically because they were up on the roof.
Uh-huh.
But these are the pineapple guavas that I love so much, and they ripen in December. I don't know when you were here. I gave you one to try.
I don't remember.
It tastes like a lemon sorbet.
No.
Wonderful. These are the last tomatoes, or the only tomatoes.
Still freezing in the night, so I have to wait with the stonework. I think there's 2 more cold days. It's very sunny though, but yeah, -3 or so during the night. So I'm gonna clear out the cabin and then work on the wall soon if it's a bit warmer. Buon appetito.
Buon appetito.
Nice.
There's a, if you want to make your sandwich, hummus, cheese, mayo.
Mayo. Yeah, it's a lot of mayo. Nice. cut down this raspberry patch for the first time. First year there was nothing, but now there was a small forest growing. Too much for us to eat, and they're very invasive. And these are the shoots off, like the brown one are from last year, and they'll give fruit early in the season, so late spring. And then there will be new shoots as well, and they'll give fruit end of summer basically, like in September or so. So there's still enough for us to eat. The birds don't eat them very much, but we like them. So, but it was getting too big, so this is overseeable.
ragazzi. Ciao. Oh. Oh, bo, bo, bo. The white one is beautiful. She grow. Yeah.
Big.
She's a bigger.
Okay. Chimney's back on the grid. It's got Italian plates now. It was the first car I came here with. It's been serving me well, but the last year it was not really in use. And so it's going to be Ella's car, doing groceries and be more independent. She's doing laundry now. Usually we do this in town in a machine, but on a nice day like this, we can do it here. Beautiful spot. Little cabin under a big rock. Actually, Ella found it last year when she was camping up there for her birthday. She spent the morning here. One of the many places just around here where you can just hang out for an hour or so. It's really peaceful. It's a beautiful chestnut tree. Yeah, I'm finishing the outer walls of the workshop. The inside I have to do. I think it's a day's work or two days work. And then I'm going to start doing the floor. I'm already configuring the workshop, how it's going to be laid out with the tools. I think it's all going to be around this central island with a table saw. I'm going to get a new table saw with a cast iron top and a better motor. So because all the work I'm going to do from now on has to be a level up basically. Most of the work was just stone work and more rough carpentry work. You know, roof construction. But the next phase will be making doors and windows. It's going to be 2 doors in the second cabin, 3 actually downstairs and 2 upstairs. 3 windows there. The front door of the first cabin I will redo because it's a very weak door. Furniture, tables probably, so there's a lot I'm going to make for the cabins and the workshop. And for that I just need better tools, and I've been waiting with investing in tools because everything rusts. All my tools that are in the second cabin, because the roof is still open, the doors and windows are open. It's always very humid inside, and it makes your tools rust, especially after 4 years here. So first I have to make the workshop weatherproof properly. It means I have to have a door and a window, and then I can put something like a saw table with a cast iron top, something which rusts very quickly in there. But sort of a central island with a table saw together with a workbench with 2 vices for hand woodworking, making joinery, and then next to it an outfeed table. So that's basically going to be one big flat space where I can work on. Space to walk around, and then against the walls cabinetry on one side, a jointer planer to make wood flat. Probably some dust collection as well. A wood stove's going to be in there. And all the cabinetry is going to have like doors and drawers, but it's going to be all on the same level, like 90 centimeters high or so. Makes it comfortable to work when everything is the same height. And then the miter saw is probably staying outside at this point. Under the little roof is actually quite a good space for the tools. It doesn't rust as much there as inside the cabin because it's outside, the sun shines there. And it's also protected from the humid air that comes in the night up from the valley. So, and the miter saw inside is gonna take up a lot of space. So, but yeah, I'm gonna slowly collect. A bandsaw probably as well. I think I can use that. I saw some beautiful old saws on the marketplace, so I'm gonna be hunting some old Italian tools, because they're well built, cast iron, heavy tools that just stay good forever. Probably need to polish up some blades and bearings and clean it up and whatnot. So yeah, that's going to be an exciting phase, just slowly building up the workshop. And so that's going to be, well, the week after next week, I think. Next week I have some guys coming over to help with the spring cleanup, basically. Because this is the last week before it's really starting to turn green. And it's a good time to do some forestry work, clean up the roads and make some space. There's a lot of branches and cut off things from cutting trees that we need to clean up. So that's what we'll do next week.